Good morning. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the outside rear view camera on the side arms where the mirror is. Let's see if I can switch this around. This is a Velvac, I think 2020 XG mirror, and I'm going to kind of show you backwards because I've already removed the old camera with the help of some wonderful people in North Carolina that have the same mirror and had the same camera, and their mirror got damaged, so they sent me the camera. It was very, very nice of them. The things that you're going to need is there are 2 screws on this bottom plate that hold the camera that are 3/32 Allen wrench. There is a long screw which goes in the long side and a short screw that goes in the other. Then you need a Phillips screwdriver for the piece that holds the camera in place. Then you need a 4mm Allen wrench that will go on this plate right here, which fits up under here. There's 3 screws in there, and that's where your plug is for your camera. You're also going to need a piece of weed eater string. That's what I'm using to be able to pull the camera wire back through. I've got it taped off right here. I'm going to attach the wire, pull the camera wire through, and then reattach the bolts and stuff. And I'll shoot a little bit of video as I'm getting it back together. As you can see, I've got the wire pulled through for the camera, so I'm going to go ahead and plug that back in to this piece right here. Then I'm going to I'm going to check the camera and make sure it's working okay. We were getting a very bad picture before, and I did find out that the connection, let's see if I can show it right here, connection pulled right off the wire of the old one. It was still working, but it was very, very dark and blurry. We are getting a very clear picture now compared to what we were getting before. As you can tell, the camera is not completely attached, it's just hanging down, but we'll do it again once we get it completely filled in. As you can see, I kind of folded the rubber back to be able to plug it in well, and then I'm going to put this rubber boot back over the connection. Then I'm going to attach the bar back up here. Ran into a little issue, not something I couldn't solve. If you see that this piece is different than the other piece, evidently the mirror that broke for the people that I got the camera from was the driver's side mirror. This is actually the passenger side, so I had to replace this piece right here so that it would fit correctly in the holder. As you can see, the camera is firmly mounted in the base again. I'm going to attach this to the bottom here, try it out, and then I'll put that other cover back on. And as you can see, I've got a good clear picture now. I guess I should have taken a picture before, or a video before, but you couldn't see the door, basically. It was that cloudy and that bad. Thank you, Michelle and Jeff. I sure appreciate it. Great people.